everyone, this is Shumona Kuila from ESEDS School of Design. As today we got to see the movie Slade, and there were some moments in the movie which really made me cry. We saw how animals are slaughtered, but there was no necessity for that. It was just for fashion. People were killing animals. They were not thinking how they are feeling. So I'll think twice before buying anything that is made of fur, leather, anything like that.
Hi, I'm Srija from ESEDS and I was here for a workshop from Fashion Revolution India, Future of Fashion 2050. And I was actually in the new campus, which is amazing. Starting from the aesthetic to how good the room looks, and it's completely Instagrammable for a college. Everything over here is so nice, and the workshop itself is amazing with the picture cutouts within 30 minutes, brainstorming, putting everything together. Everything was amazing. The plants, everything, the posters. It was a good time.
I'm Riti Datta and I'm a student of ESET School of Designing. This is my first day here, and it's so amazing an experience we had. Also, we did a project for Fashion Revolution. It's an amazing environment to work. Also, like for fashion designers, people need a space to show their to cultivate their mind for the creative inputs, and this is the perfect place for that. So yes, thank you. I had an amazing experience here.